Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Pune location. It is from Maharashtra. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available in RISE WPU. They are looking for performance marketing specialist. Coming to the qualifications and profile for the desired candidates, the candidates should have bachelor's or master's degree in marketing from a tier 1 college, and the candidates should have 3 to 6 years of experience in performance or digital marketing, and managerial experience is a plus. And the candidates should have excellent knowledge of ad platforms such as Google AdWords, display, YouTube, Facebook, ad networks, etc., and experience in managing a team of digital marketers and content persons, and past experience in running large and successful lead generating campaigns is a plus, and the ability to think analytically and use data to inform outreach strategy. And ideal candidates will also be proficient in Excel as well as CRM tools, and ability to collaborate with cross-functional teams and generate results through robust execution. These are some qualifications for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for ad operations and campaign specialist in McIntyre. And coming to the qualifications required for this job role, the candidate should be postgraduate or graduate, and the candidate should be well versed with display and video advertising, preferably in a B2B environment. And the candidate should have a relevant experience of 2 to 5 years is required, and the candidate must be open for rotational shift. These are some qualifications required for this job role. And coming to the skills required, expertise in DSP platforms like Google 360, AppNexus, Simplify, OpenX, AdWords, AdSense, and Ad Manager. And solid hands-on DFP, AdX, DDM, and experience should be required. And expertise in display and video platform buying. And some more skills are also provided here. You please check once. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for operations specialist, supplier onboarding specialist in Coupa software. And coming to the job requirements, the candidates should have bachelor's degree in business and at least 3 years of experience in supplier management with good knowledge on procure to pay cycle, and experience in onboarding US and international suppliers, strong commitment to customer service, and ability to communicate concisely, both written and verbally, to internal and external stakeholders, and highly proficient in Excel, Word, and other MS Office, and highly analytical with exceptional organization and prioritization skills, and proven ability to meet hard deadlines. And the candidates should have knowledge of Coupa is definitely a plus, and able to attend meetings outside regular Pune office hour on periodic basis, and ability to work cohesively with multiple people in a fast-paced team environment. These are some requirements for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for advertising operations specialist in Ansirom. And coming to the required skills, the candidates should have 3 years plus experience in digital marketing, including campaign management and performance analysis, and good understanding of display and video advertising ecosystem, and comfortable working in a fast-paced environment with tight deadlines, and ability to work or communicate with overseas teams, strong analytical skills and data-driven thinking, and expert proficiency in Excel, and comfort in handling large volumes of data, and up to date with the latest trends and best practices in online marketing and measurement, and a bachelor's degree in any stream is preferred. These are some required skills for this job role. And coming to the job responsibilities, like execute on all network-wide updates or changes or fixes as needed, and proactively utilize tools and resources provided to LME team to grow and retain overall book of business, and respond to all internal or external customer inquiries within 1 business day and bring to resolution within 2 business days. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for advertising specialist in Coventry, and if you see the job requirements, like exemplary communication skills and grasp over the English language, and the candidate should have thorough knowledge of the digital marketing industry, and the candidates should have 2 years plus experience, and the age limit will be from 23 to 31. And coming to the educational qualifications, like a bachelor's degree or higher are preferred. And coming to the job description and key requirements for this job role, like managing setup, optimization and execution of ad strategies, and the candidates should have knowledge of Facebook, Google and Instagram ads with what changes have happened post the latest iOS updates, and some more also are given here. You please check once. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for assistant manager FAO in Wipro. And coming to the skills required, like the candidates should have good knowledge of RTR and ready to work in any shift. And the candidates should have 3 to 5 years of people and client management experience and must have worked on SAP. And the candidates good in Excel and PPT and good communicational skills and open to contribute in production if required. These are some skills required for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.